Hello guys, today I will show you how to make fried tortillas. This is an interesting recipe and I am sure many will like it. Put in a bowl half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Pour 7 fluid ounces of warm water into the bowl, then add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix everything well with a whisk. I'm very interested in knowing which cities in the world my viewers are from. Guys, please write about it in the comments under the video. Now add 14 ounces of all-purpose flour and knead the dough. If the dough turns out to be too sticky, add an additional 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour. Guys, if you like my video content with culinary recipes, please give this video a thumbs up. I will be very pleased. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it stops being sticky and becomes soft. Cover the dough and let it rest for 15 minutes. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts and roll them into balls. If you have any questions about this recipe, ask them in the comments and I'll respond very quickly. During the preparation of the fried tortillas, keep the raw dough covered to prevent it from drying out. Friends, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'm sure you'll find many interesting recipes here. Heat 10 fluid ounces of cooking oil. While the oil is heating, roll out a few dough balls thinly with a diameter of approximately 7 inches. Dip the tortilla into the hot oil and start rotating it with a spoon in circular motions. When it starts puffing up, wait for a moment and then flip it to the other side. The average cooking time is approximately 2 minutes. Fry until it turns golden brown and it's ready. Continue cooking in the same way, and I'll just show you once again how to fry them. It's a very enjoyable process when they puff up like little balloons. Thank you for watching this recipe. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. See you in other videos. Bye for now.